everyone, welcome back to
The Gardening Guys.
one he can't fuck up. How many times have we done this now?
Few.
Twice.
Yeah.
Nice one. I'll put the outtake of what he actually said to start with right at the end. Nice one, Shane.
Yeah, I didn't really start it off to a good start, did I?
Not on a strong start at all. Where are we?
So we're down at the allotment again.
Doing?
Yeah.
Well, what have we done?
So today, obviously, well, this afternoon, we've probably spent about 2, maybe 3 hours.
3 hours.
3 hours. Obviously, just clearing the front bits, getting all the weeds out, hoeing them all off, putting them in the wheelbarrow, and obviously getting rid of them. Because obviously at the moment we don't know whether we're going to get a massive heat wave again or torrential thunderstorms. So we just thought we'd come down this afternoon and do as much as we can before obviously heading home. So yeah, that's what.
And obviously there's a video that hasn't come out yet.
No, there isn't.
But I don't think even you knew. I did a video yesterday.
Sort of.
Whilst we were out doing, what were we doing yesterday? Because we weren't here yesterday.
No, we wasn't. So for the majority of the day, myself and Michael went on a all-long
bike ride. So
and,
the clips that you saw in the previous video, because this one will come out after, there's a clip of me on the bike riding behind you because you were 90 miles in front of me.
There was.
And then there's a clip that I did down here when we got back to the allotment because you had to get some veg, didn't you, to take home?
I did, yes, I did.
So that video will come out before this one. So if you want to see what we got up to, go and have a look at that video. But we've come down again today on the bikes. Yours is there,
yeah,
and mine's ditched on the floor. There's a reason why I put that there.
There was. So obviously he's had to put his bike obviously where it is, because obviously with people who have been on the allotment this afternoon, obviously walking past where we had the GoPro with the phone on recording, we didn't want to take the chance of anybody going
walking past
the camera, because that wouldn't be
look
good at all. No.
So I put the tripod by the back wheel,
so
and it just stops people walking in front of the camera. They have to go around it. So a bit of clever thinking.
That was indeed.
So the time lapse shows if we just spin around.
Yeah.
We've cleared that section. So this one here with the pumpkins and stuff in. We've done this section with the rhubarb in, and the bit where the elephant garlic was. And then I've also trimmed the grass path, which is there. So quite a bit done, and then that's pretty much it for today, isn't it?
Yeah.
We're about ready to go home.
Yep.
No one else is down here, it's just us.
No.
So Shane's going to go and lock up the shed.
I am indeed.
Off your trot, and I'll outro it. And we're going to go home. So that's pretty much it. We are going to do... I did put a TikTok up, actually, of the little bit of a time-lapse that I'll put in after this of the work that's been done, showing what we did here. But yeah, obviously, don't forget, guys, there is new sponsors popping up in the next couple of days that are going up on our website. I can't remember the names of them. I haven't been 100% at home recently, so I'll go back and do that tonight. So if you check the website tomorrow, you should see all the new stuff that we've got going on. But look, everything is it looks a lot smarter. Rhubarb's coming right back, which is brilliant. Looks good. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye bye for now.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying.
Intro.
Start again.
What do you mean?
They call me a